Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify artist account on Spotify and to show your music. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So first of all, you're going to go to Google, and then here you're going to simply search Spotify for artists. Now you're going to select the first link, and then from here it tells you all the details that you need. Click on Get Access, and from here click on Artist or Manager. Then from here it says Claim an Artist Profile, so from here you're going to either click Continue if you have already music, or if you don't already have music on Spotify, then you're going to click on Music Not Available Yet on Spotify. Now from here it's going to tell you that mainly you will need a recommended distribution because distributors are the ones that manage your music and they're the ones that create a brand new profile on Spotify or Apple Music or all these websites. So my preferred option would be DistroKid because it's the easiest to get into and preferably the cheapest. It's $22 a year. And that's pretty much it. Once you do that, and that's all good. But if you already have music, then you can simply go back. And then from here, you're going to go and continue. And then you're going to select whatever account that you might want to sign in with. And then pretty much select the music. And then they will ask for your identification verification. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.